My name is P. Saktivel, Assistant Professor of English, Government College of Engineering, Salem. In this video, I am going to explain about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, intersection. Learning outcomes. At the end of this video, the learners will be able to state the definition of parts of speech in English grammar, to recognize and distinguish parts of speech from each other, to use nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunctions, and intersections correctly in sentences. First one is noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. It is a naming word. Examples: boy, theater, school, idea, tree, happiness, etc. Look at the sentences. MS Dhoni is a good cricketer. The books are on the table. The bakery has fresh cakes. Love is a beautiful thing. In these sentences, MS Dhoni, books, bakery, love, all these words are called as nouns. Second one is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. It is used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. Examples: I, you, he, she, etc. Look at the sentences. He sings nicely. She played well. They won the World Cup. It is a sweet apple. In these sentences, he, she, they, it, all these words are called as pronouns. Third one is adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us the quality of a person, place, animal, or thing. Examples: big, small, thin, horrible, beautiful, quick, slow, etc. Look at the sentences. This is a blue car. The small squirrel ran up the tree. There was a heavy rain. She has an impressive collection of toys. In these sentences, the words blue, small, heavy, impressive are called as adjectives. The word blue describes the car. The squirrel is described by the adjective small. Heavy rain, impressive collection. So these words describes noun. So these are called as adjectives. Fourth one is verb. A verb is an action word that shows an action, an event, or a state. It is an action word. Examples: move, talk, think, believe, live, like, etc. Look at the sentences. The man walked down the street. She accepted the job offer. The dog ran across the yard. The cat sat on the wall. In these sentences, the words walked, accepted, ran, sat are called as verbs. So these words describes action. Next one is adverb. An adverb is a word which describes a verb or an adjective. It tells us how, when, and where the action is done. Examples: slowly, nicely, well, yesterday, here, etc. Look at the sentences. He swims well. He plays the flute beautifully. They traveled down the mountainside. The newspaper is bought daily. In these sentences, the words well, beautifully, down, daily are called as adverbs. So adverbs describes how the action is done in the sentences. Next one, preposition. A preposition is used to show a relationship between two words or phrases. It indicates time, place, or relationship. Examples: at, on, in, from, with, near, between, about, under, etc. Look at the sentences. The food was placed on the table. She drew the picture with a crayon. The train went through the tunnel. The sun is above the clouds. In these sentences, the words on, with, through, above are called as prepositions. Next one is conjunction. A conjunction joins two words, phrases or sentences together. Examples: but, so, and, because or etc. Look at the sentences. You cannot succeed unless you work hard. You can write with a pencil or a pen. He bought book and wrapper. She eats at home because she likes cooking. So in these sentences, unless, or, and, because are called as conjunctions because they join two sentences. Next one is intersection. An intersection is a word or phrase that expresses a strong feeling or emotion. It is usually followed by exclamation marks. Examples: wow, alas, oh, no, wow, great, help, hi, etc. Look at the sentences. Wow, what a beautiful building it is. Oh, the place is so crowded. Alas, he fell down on the floor. Congrats, you got your master degree. So, in these sentences, the words wow, oh, alas, congrats expresses the emotions. So, they are called as intersections. Reflections part. So, identify the parts of speech in the following sentences. So, the words are underlined. You have to identify what is the parts of speech. First one is Steve can play the trumpet. Do you like apples? They listen to music every day. She is an old lady. Wow, the movie is amazing. I saw him while I was driving the bike. He did well in the test. My father drives the car carefully. I bought a beautiful dress at the mall. The play was fantastic. So write the answers in your notebook and check your answers. Answers. First one is Steve is noun. Second one, like is an verb. They is a pronoun. Old is an adjective. Wow is an intersection. While is an conjunction. In is a preposition. Carefully is an adverb. Beautiful is an adjective. Play is a noun. So thank you very much for watching this video.